Alright guys, check this out. I wonder what that is. Look at this. It's like oil leaking off the rim. So I look on the wheel well. Check out, it's just all splattered everywhere. So we're gonna go check this out, see what's behind this this wheel, and find out why it's leaking like that. Check that out, guys. Oh my god, it looks like mud and oil. It's all over inside the wheel. Gonna have to clean this off. Way all over. Look at that. Jesus Christ. So look at that. On the inner tie rod there's a bunch of grease. On the speed sensor and in the caliper there's lots. Looks like to me is this outer CB boot is shot. Something is cracked in here that's open. So we'll check that out, see what's going on. Let's see if we can spin it. Oh yeah, it's ripped right there, guys. So it's the CB axle boot, guys. It's right there. I could see it. I could put the screwdriver in there. Yeah, it's just all over the place. Crazy. Good thing that it did not go all the way to the rotors, you know. But that's a big mess. That's a big mess. Alright, so we're gonna have to change the whole CB axle, or maybe just the CB boot. Wow, crazy. So just put a pry bar right here, and then we're just gonna pry it out. Okay, show you where the leak hole is. You can see when I press the boot, and then there's grease coming out right there.